organization that fights for transformation. Umkhonto wesizwe is led by reliable and credible leaders. Umkhonto wesizwe has leaders who are persecuted for leading transformation agenda. Earlier, abantu abamhlophe ababazi abangabanye yiyo lento ukuthi asisondele eduzane yezinto ezikhulunywayo nezinto ezifundwayo. Noma kuye sisilalele emsakazweni bathi asilalele meaning ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani. Yabona ngakhombela ngiyakhumbula nje uma umuntu Dumyeni owaka-SA. That woman was persecuted. May her soul rest in peace. She was persecuted for leading transformation for SA. Okuyinhlangano abantu abamhlophe ababazi ukuthi yonke ingabo akekho umuntu omnyama ongakwazi uku-invade lapha. Uthe ukweseka besephusha i-transformation besethi no, asikwazi bale institution enzima njengale ikhontrola abantu abamhlophe engekho umuntu omnyama noma umuntu engekho engenayo i-SA. She was persecuted to a level ukuthi wazi ungakhishwa SA. Sinokho sisema wagama business. Siyabazi lo persecuted. Sinokho Otomo yana kwasasa. Wathi yathi ngena nje establishment yamkhipha kwasasa. Uyena umuntu wazi webusasa wakhipha ethinyo rent and the profit. Kodwa ngoba umuntu omnyama akhambe kanjena nje naye waphuma. Umkhonto wesizwe hezelayo uMpeter ufuna kusho njalo. Ithi abantu hayi ukuthi ngoba fike izolo abantu that are trusted. Abantu that have been fighting tirelessly. Kwathi nasile free ukwenza sure ukuthi kuya i-transformation. Asinazo izizathu zongabaza ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe unikeze ithuba. Ngeke ukwazi ukuphola ngomqotho, ngeke ukwazi ukuthatha izwe imbuyisele abantu abanyama. Umkhonto wesizwe has capacity to lead the next revolution. Siyabona njengamanje ngoba umkhonto wesizwe ngisephalamende njengoba sibona ukuthi kade ngophaka umthakathi aphusha ama-civil organization aphusha imikhanisi. Umkhonto wesizwe uyifakile ibhili ephalamende eshoyo ukuthi cha empeleni wonke umsebenzi nje ama-tuck shop nayo yonke into umsebenzi ama-basics yimisebenzi vele leyo okumele ibe yabantu abamnyama. Akuyona umsebenzi othiwa iwu-flash edinga omunye umuntu osokolelile isifakile ibhili ephalamende. Yebo umkhonto wesizwe kumele thina sonke nje kwasina uma siphuma la endlini siphuma somkhonto wesizwe thina. Hayi siphuma somkhonto wesizwe ngoba sibona umkhonto wesizwe. Kumele siphume simphile umkhonto wesizwe ngoba umuntu abone thina athembe thina abone ukuthi i-organization iyaphila because of you as abasana. The only part that can change the contract system and restore power to its rightful owners abantu abamnyama umkhonto wesizwe. The only part that can change the system that supports working class ongaba abantu abamnyama umkhonto wesizwe. The only part that can restore power to the people, the working class, this GNU and GPU umkhonto wesizwe. Kumele sonke uma siphume siyotshala onguyabani. Asingaphumi siyokhuluma ngamanye ama-parties. Sithi ngoba umkhonto wesizwe because i-party yakhe iyaphetha, umkhonto wakhe uyaphetha because you'll be opening a can of worms. Asiphume with an informed ngiyabonga comrades ngizothatha lethuba our next item i-political input ezokwenziwa unobhala